In this video, I will show you how to extract zip files for your PPSSPP emulator to make all your PSP game files playable, so you can easily play these games and enjoy your favorite games. Now the first thing you need to do is to open your Play Store or your App Store and then search for ZArchiver. You're going to need this app. It's very important. So once you found this exact app, go ahead and install this app to your device and then open the app. Now once you open the app, simply locate your game zip file, like your PSP file. Mine is in the download section, so I'm going to go into the download section. You can see I'm having a game here and it's a zip file. So all you have to do, just tap on the game and then tap on extract here to start extracting the game ISO file. Now once you are done extracting the game, simply hold down on the game, like just hold down on it. Once you hold down on it, it's going to show you some options. Click on cut and then go to your main directory. Now you have to look for your PSP folder. My PSP folder is in my document section. So once you get to your PSP folder, you are going to see the game folder in there. So click on the game folder and then paste the game ISO file in there. Now once you've pasted that in here, all you have to do is to open your emulator. Now once you open your emulator, it should load the game right up for you to play. Now you can see the game is right there and the game is ready to play. Now if you are not seeing your game in here ready to play, that's because the PPSSPP emulator do not know where your game is. So to fix that, you have to click this browse icon you can see on the top, and then you are going to show your PSP emulator where you are keeping the games. Now there are some settings that you are going to use to get the best performance and graphics. I won't be mentioning all that in this video because I already have a dedicated video for that. So all you have to do, just wait till the end of this video and you are going to see the recommendation of that video at the end of this video, so you can watch that and learn the best settings to use for your PPSSPP emulator. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes. Now if you are finding any value from this video, do consider smashing that subscribe button as well to help me on my YouTube growth journey. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.